Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion's gallery view. First, let's get started by creating a new database. You'll want to choose the gallery layout from the available options. This view is perfect for visual content. Each card you see in the gallery is actually a full Notion page, ready for you to fill with information. You can add various properties, such as text, dates, or multi-select tags, to help organize your content right from the start. It's a very intuitive way to begin. Now, let's make your gallery visually appealing. You can customize each card by selecting a cover image or even showing a preview of the page's content. This makes your database much more engaging. You also have the flexibility to display up to 5 important properties directly on the card itself, giving you quick insights without opening the page. Don't forget to adjust the card size. You can choose between small, medium, or large to best suit your visual preference and the amount of information you want to see at a glance. Keeping your gallery organized is simple with Notion's powerful filtering and sorting tools. You can apply filters to display only the cards that meet certain criteria, like showing only completed tasks or specific project types. Sorting allows you to arrange your cards in a logical order, perhaps by date created, alphabetically by name, or by priority. For an even clearer overview, try grouping your cards by a property, such as status or category, which creates distinct, collapsible sections within your gallery view. This helps manage large amounts of information effectively. Notion's gallery view is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for creating visual mood boards, showcasing project portfolios, or even organizing your favorite recipe collections with images. A great tip is to create multiple gallery views of the same database, each with different filters and sorts, to gain diverse perspectives on your data. For example, one view could show active projects and another completed projects. You can also link your gallery databases to other Notion pages, building interconnected workflows that enhance your overall productivity and organization. It's a powerful tool for visual thinkers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.